Ever wondered how self-driving cars see the world around them? LiDAR sensors create 3D maps in real time with laser precision. What if you could build your own LiDAR projects, even without an engineering degree? Hi, I am Ashraf from the Educational Engineering team. With over 13 years of experience in mechatronics and 250,000 students worldwide, I have helped countless hobbyists and professionals bring their tech ideas to life. Now, we're diving into the exciting world of LiDAR technology, and I'll be guiding you every step of the way. In this course, you'll master the fundamentals of LiDAR, from how it works to setting up sensors like VL53L0X. You'll learn accurate distance measurement techniques, data visualization using point clouds, and get hands-on with real projects, including 2 fully guided builds you can customize. By the end, you'll be able to create your own LiDAR-powered systems, whether for robotics, environmental monitoring, or just as an impressive hobby. One of our students even used this knowledge to prototype an autonomous drone navigation system. Imagine what you could build. Ready to unlock the power of LiDAR? Click the link to enroll now and start mastering distance measurement from theory to practice. Let's bring your ideas to life, one laser pulse at a time.